Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on potting up cuttings once they've rooted.
I have here some cuttings of Helichrysum. It's a grey shrub, but it's not hardy. So I took some cuttings in the autumn and I'm just going to pot them up now, turn them out. You can see that there are plenty of roots on this in this pot. They're all grown together. So what the first thing to do is gently prise it apart. I've just watered it, so it's quite wet. So the root ball comes apart really quite easily. And you can see that over from the autumn through the winter in the greenhouse, they've developed quite a lot, well actually really quite a lot, of very fine hairy roots. And that's a really good plant to pot up now. I've prepared 3 pots for the cuttings, about half full of a peat-free multi-purpose compost. And all I'm going to do now is set that in so it is just about the same height as the cuttings growing in the pot. Rest it on the compost already there, and just like you would any other plant, very carefully fill round. So I'm supporting the cutting so that the weight doesn't all sit down and crush the roots. So the roots are nicely spaced out. Just going to fill that pot up, fermenting gently with my fingers just around the top of the stem to keep it firmed in. And there we are, there's plenty of compost in there. That'll go on for another month when it'll be ready to be used in one of my summer bedding schemes. Just water that off just a little bit to settle it in.
And that's the first one done. I will split and pot up the other 3 cuttings in exactly the same way and then grow them all on for about a month under cover until they go out into a summer container. Come autumn, I will take some fresh cuttings from the new growth and start the whole process again.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!